Hey folks, Troy Dooley, the Beachside CEO. Hope you're having a wonderful week. Just got some information and actually came in about 4 or 5 days ago. One of our investigators out of Canada had picked it up due to the fact one of the companies that he has represented was included in the spreadsheet that we're going to put up on the website. This is important because so many companies create these passionate formulas. They take them out to a manufacturer. The manufacturer puts them together and they send them back. So you got all these private labels and they're cranking and they're going. And there can be issues when a regulatory agency, whether that's Health Canada, the FDA, Australia, New Zealand, doesn't matter where it's at. When they come in and look, if there's an issue, it can affect you as a sales rep, you as a consumer. Now, I've learned a lot over the last few years. Terry LaCour over at LaCour Labs, Kevin Thomas over at Alternative Labs have really taken time to educate me. I've walked through the LaCour Labs. I even had just an awesome time a few years ago. Rastelli Food Group, which is one of the largest food group manufacturers, purveyors, if you will, of the United States government, of the military, of mainstream restaurants. I had the opportunity to go through their plant. So I've learned from the food side, the supplement side, how delicate, that's the right word here, that it is to make sure you're following the FDA procedures inside. You've got to make sure that you've got written documentation, what you're doing, what the lot numbers are. You've got to make sure that everything is correct. Because if you don't, you can be found to be in a violation. And if it's a large enough violation, then you've got to contact your customers who then have to contact their customers. See how this thing rolls downhill? What was it, Bluebell or one of them not too long ago, a few years ago, had to recall all of their ice cream due to some situations inside their plant. So I want to read this. We're going to put it up. I've got an extensive spreadsheet that they've provided. We're going to put that up on the blog. I think it's imperative that you study this, you look at it, you understand what all this stuff means. It's just important. This came out on January 17th, 2020, Edgewood, New York. This is to inform you that ABH Nature's Products, Inc., ABH Pharma, Inc., and StockNutra.com, Inc., the companies, is conducting a nationwide recall of all lots of its dietary supplement products pursuant to a consent decree entered by the U.S. District Court of the Eastern District of New York. This recall applies to all dietary products manufactured and sold, this is the important part, between January 2013 and November 2019, and all lots of products are included in this recall. These products are being recalled after the FDA inspection found significant violations of the current good manufacturing practice regulations. We're going to try to pull that manual, put it up here in the post. Manufacturing practices that are not in adequate control represent the possibility of risk being introduced into the manufacturing product, resulting in the finished supplement products with decreased identity, purity, strength, and composition. This was just tough here. It says the companies are notifying its distributors and its customers via email and in arranging for return of all recalled products. Wholesalers and distributors, direct customers of all companies that have any dietary supplement products manufactured or packaged at Edgewood, New York facility is being recalled. Please contact your representative. We're gonna put this whole thing up. We want you guys to have this. This is important. Again, your company may be on this list, and this list is extensive. There are direct sales companies. There are mass big box stores who have products in here. There's mainstream products you'll see in here. So you have to be cautious. If you have any of this product, please contact your company. Take the time, send it in, get new product, whatever they're going to do. But it's better to be safe than sorry. And in this case right here, gosh, I hate this when this happens. But we have to make sure that you're covered. So keep an eye on it. The link's right here over to the blog post where we've put this is an extensive spreadsheet. You can go over there and see if your company's in there. You'll know for sure. If you know somebody, if you see a company name and you know somebody that's in there, listen, just call them and say, hey, check this out. Go check. This came from the FDA. This came from Business Newswire. We're just helping get it out there. Protect yourselves. Protect your clients. If you're a company owner, this is why it's very, very imperative you guys have product liability insurance. I recommend if you're a rep in the field, due to situations like this, be cautious. Check with your homeowner's policy. Go out and get some kind of an E&O coverage, some kind of product liability coverage. If your company doesn't have you in a umbrella policy, do something. Just do it right. Hey, live life like it's an epic adventure. Stay dangerous, stay strong, and we will see you next time.